In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload CapCut videos to TikTok. This will be a step-by-step guide, and I'll also show you some very important things that you don't want to miss. So once you're in CapCut, go ahead and either create a new project and edit your video, or if you've already got a video edited like this, you can upload it to TikTok, right? Now, the first thing that I would make sure is click off your video, and then here at the bottom, you want to scroll to aspect ratio, and make sure the aspect ratio is the TikTok aspect ratio, which is 9:16. If it isn't, it will look weird on TikTok and it may not even work. So choose that aspect ratio, make sure your video is good to go, then click export in the top right hand corner. That will export it, and then it will download it to your phone. Now this will download it to your camera roll. It's going to ask you to share to TikTok from CapCut. I really wouldn't recommend that. Just download it to your camera roll. Once you've got it on your camera roll, in the bottom right hand corner, you should see it. So you can see it is 32 seconds, the video. Now what we can do, we can open up TikTok. Now once you've got TikTok open, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner. Just make sure you're in your correct profile. Then click on the plus icon. Now, here is me, hello. Now what you can do, you can click on your gallery icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will load up your gallery with your videos. You can then select the video you want to upload. So mine is 32 seconds. We'll then click next, and here it is. Now what we can do, we can click on next if we are finished editing the video. You can then add a description. So I'll just type here test, but you want to add an eye-catching description, add some hashtags. You can then choose your location. You can choose who can view it. Obviously you want everyone. Then click on post. Post the video, and then the video is going to get posted. Here you can see the status of that video in the top left hand corner. And there we go. This video is now live from TikTok. So that is all you have to do.